Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your affiliate contract files in DocuSign, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the DocuSign website. Log into your DocuSign account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage tab located at the top of the page. In the Manage section, you will see a list of your document envelopes. Look for the envelope that contains your affiliate contract files. Click on the envelope to open it and view its contents. Once inside, locate the specific document you wish to back up. Click on the document to open it fully. In the document viewer, look for the Download button, typically represented by a downward arrow. Click the Download button to save the document to your computer. Choose a location on your computer where you want to store the file. You can create a new folder named Affiliate Contracts for better organization. After selecting the folder, click Save to complete the download. Repeat these steps for any additional affiliate contract files you wish to back up. Once you have downloaded all necessary documents, open the folder where you saved them. Verify that all files are present and correctly named for easy identification. Consider backing up the folder to a cloud storage service for added security. Your affiliate contract files are now safely backed up and accessible when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.